I'm Greg Thomas. I'll be doing a little short presentation on Black, Brown, and Beige by Duke Ellington and focusing on what it represented at the time, the press reaction, and its long-term value. When Duke Ellington premiered Black, Brown, and Beige, a tone parallel to the history of the Negro in America in early 1943, the piece represented several things. First, it represented Ellington and his orchestra's ascendance to the height of America's cultural scene. They had performed all over the United States and in Europe, but had yet to be featured at Carnegie Hall, America's most famous venue for the performance of European classical music. Today, jazz is called America's classic music. Back then, no, that wasn't the case. Jazz was the popular music of the country, yes, but not thought of by most as a fine art comparable to the high traditions of Europe. So the premiere of a long-form composition by an American Negro about the Negro-American experience was a big deal. For Black Americans, Duke Ellington was a cultural hero whose artistry, style, and achievement at the pinnacle of the music industry made us beam. Duke was the epitome of elegance and excellence. This is clear from reports and pieces in the Black press of the time. His premiering Black, Brown, and Beige at Carnegie was a point of special pride that reinforced our special contribution to the American Republic despite slavery, Jim Crow, and segregation. Though he wrote the piece in 6 weeks, Ellington had been studying the history of Afro-American life and culture for many years to prepare for the moment. He spoke with many experts and had a library full of books. For Ellington, Black, Brown, and Beige represented the fulfillment of a long intention to portray in sound the epic sweep of the experience of Black folks who, whether others understood or believed it or not, were and are quintessentially American.